the advanced AI voice really gonna change the same way that the mouse and the touch screen change the way we communicate with the machine. So be prepared for this voice revolution. It already happens. I know sometimes kind of weird, we're talking with the machine. They don't understand what we are saying. They don't see us very well. They don't have emotion. But like every other technology, they start with the basics and they improve a lot and really fast. So be prepared to have more AI voices helping you, okay? And not only, like I'm saying, inside the car or even on the mobile phone, if you can just send messages, sometimes it's very easier to do with the voice command. So we have at home. So now the next step is definitely integrated in our praxis, in our business. And that's what we are doing with the Ortho.i sprints. We teach doctors how to integrate AI, in the best way, understand how works the process.